Hi guys, it's Deb back again, and I've got another organisational video on how I organise my things. This one is going to be focusing on these containers here and what I store in them. So you can see I've got them ones labelled. The other three have not been labelled yet because I've kind of overfilled these ones and had to move to move to more to fit. Sorry, I'm tongue-tied today. To fit my camera keeps going out of focus. Fit more in. So you can see I've got small flat alphas, decorative stickers 3D, medium flat alphas, puffy alpha and titles, decorative sticker puffy, and tile alphas. And some of that's spilled over into these, so I'm going to pull them out and show you what is in them. Okay, so as I was showing you on the shelf, they have been labelled. I'm trying to hold them up because the lids don't stay on when you've got them on their side, but they are labelled on their sides. And then these containers I actually got from my local cheap shop, $2 shop. I can't remember how much I paid for them, but they're like A5 in size roughly, and yeah, so it's got the lid in the bottom. And what I have done is, for example, this one's got all my focus decorative puppy stickers, and it's just anything that's puffy, and a sticker goes in here. So you can see I've got quite a few that I need to get through. So my goal this year is to get things used. So I've got that one, and then I've got one that I've got small flat alphas. So they would have been like Studio Calico ones. I used to subscribe to their kits many years ago. That's all from Studio Calico, and yeah, I just keep them in there. That keeps them all protected, and if I need a small flat alpha, I can just grab this container, bring it to my desk and use it. So the next one I've got is decorative stickers 3D. I don't have much in here. I did have some other things that I pulled out from my DIY kits, but yeah, not much. But it would be things like these wooden frames that are stickers. That's what goes into that one. This one is medium flat alphas. So my Kaiser Craft ones, I like these come in a big, like a 6x12 sheet, and I've just cut them down to fit inside this container. I've got my Snap Simple Stories alphas in here, some numbers. That shouldn't be in there because they're words, not alphas. Yeah, just anything like that. I think I got them from the cheapy shop. Anything that's kind of, yeah, medium goes in here. And like the other one, if I need to use anything, I can just pull this whole container to my desk. Next one is my puffy alphas and titles. So that's not puffy, but I think I might put that one in here. Some random stickers, but like the Pink Fresh puppy alphas, I believe that's Heidi Swap. Yeah, there's just a random mixture of all puppy alphas. That's chipboard alpha. But yeah, I love that one, and yeah, too much in there, need to get it used up. So there's that one. And then I've got my tile alphas, and they are those little alphas that are the little squares with the alpha on it. And I've noticed some of these I've had in my stash for like 10 years and they've lost their sticky, so I do have to use glue to stick a lot of this down because they've just been in my stash for that long. So, oh, well there you go. They're not supposed to be there, my photo flips. Ha! I was looking for them. So yeah, they're my tile alphas. And then I do have one, oh yeah, tiny word and phrase stickers. So anything that's a tiny word or a phrase sticker goes in here. And yeah, tiny words are always good to use on scrapbook layouts. Some of these like are really old. So there's that one. And I believe this one might be labels. No, this one's, yeah, this one's got some random stuff in it that needs to be sorted. So I might have used something and I've just chucked it back into this one. So that would usually go, I think that was in my sticker book collection, yeah. So some of this has to be sorted, but yeah, it's supposed to be labels in there. And then I've just got some, my last one was the random alphas, chipboard alphas, and some acrylic ones that are super duper old. I don't even know if it's got a year on it. These are really old. So yeah, that's how I kind of store my my loose stickers, if you want to call it that. Some of these tile alphas were in booklets, and I've pulled the booklet apart and put it in here because it's just easier to rummage through that than have books. So yeah, I thought I would share how I store my these types of stickers. And yeah, it's a short one short one today. So I would love to hear how you store your stickers, and I'd also would really love if you gave this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.